Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And from today onwards, we will go to the new IT course regarding the ServiceNow, and I will be explaining regarding the ServiceNow, how the ServiceNow will be do in real time, how the ServiceNow will be useful to us, and all those things will be explained from today onwards. This is the first class of the ServiceNow course. Okay. So first of all, this is Chrome. So here we will go to ServiceNow, and we will search for it. ServiceNow.com is enough. Okay, we will search for it. First of all, we will go to the sign in. We will sign into the ServiceNow PDI. This is known as PDI. In this ServiceNow platform, this PDI, all this by default, the ServiceNow is able to us to send given a platform where we can practice a lot of things in this ServiceNow PDI. This is all the PDI. It means product document instance. In this instance, first of all, next classes I will clearly explain how the PDI instance means, what is instance, and all those things will be explained in the data classes. Okay. In this class, just I will explain you regarding how we will install to this ServiceNow account. Okay. By searching ServiceNow.com, we will see a web page regarding in this way, and we will go to the sign in. First of all, we will sign into the user. Okay. I want to create a new account. Don't mention the accounts, like whatever the accounts you need to mention. All those things will be given by here itself. Okay. If you want to do record details will be given here only. Okay. So we need to mention our email, first name, last name. Company is not mandatory. Okay. If one just for business and the mobile number, what job level, department, and all those things, it should be mentioned. Okay. It is going to be verified. Okay. See, now I need to sign into my account. By clicking sign in, I have created my account. So by clicking sign in, I will sign into my ServiceNow platform. Okay. See, this is the process. See, I have already signed into my account, so that's why it's showing me. Now here we will see ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, this is the home page. Okay, all this is the home page. From here we will go to the products. Here is it is like my now. Here we can explore whatever the we can see. We can explore from here. Okay, from home we can. Here we have like something like products. So what are the products? All those things will be visible here. And here we have the industries, what automotive industry, banking, and all those things will be visible here. All those things in the coming classes I will explain regarding the products and all those things. Coming to my learning, this is the service community where you can learn about the ServiceNow instant ServiceNow. All those things will be explained here in detailed manner. If you want regarding this, I will make a new video regarding how the community works and how the ServiceNow University will be works. I will make another video. Okay. This is the developer resource where here itself we are doing all the instance related work, and all the ServiceNow developer work and other admin works will be created here itself. Okay. So we will go for explore resources. We are going to learning, and from here we will go into developer resources. From here to we are exploring the resources. Okay. We will go to some this menu where we will see as an developer. Okay. Now here we need to log into our instance. Okay. Yes, I am developer. Or yes, I will mention yes, I need a developer oriented IDE. Okay. Next, designer developer. I will mention each and everything. Okay. I have initiative. Okay. It's not mandatory. If we need, we can get all those things options. Okay. By default it will be signed to my account. If it is not signed, we will mention here some like sign in. We will sign into this account. Okay. This is the ServiceNow. This is the platform we will see. Now we need to request my instance. This is the first time we are requesting an instance to create here. Okay, I will mention a request instance. See, request an instance. Choose your release. It will show us that we are requesting an instance where we should perform all the tasks in this instance only. Okay, we will see here, right? After requesting an instance, we will choose our release. Okay, suppose these are the instance names where Jurichi is the latest release of ServiceNow, and we have yet home Xanadu, and we have a lot of instances. Okay, I will use Jurichi latest instance for my PDI, where I can perform all the operations in this Jurich instance only. Okay, so by selecting this, I will be request and fulfilling the request. Okay, we have processing in which it will take some time for processing our request. Okay, we should wait for some time. See here, you will observe that your personal developer instance PDI, it means our personal developer instance, is currently being prepared. It is going to be prepared. See, feel free. It's a free of process. Okay. See, this is the in this way. After creating of our instance, we will see manage my instance and start building. Okay. In this way, we will sign into our instance. Okay, in ServiceNow. Okay, we will first of all, I think it's clear, right? First of all, we will go to the ServiceNow.com and we will go to this ServiceNow web page, and we will go to the sign in, and we will sign into this ServiceNow platform. After signing to this ServiceNow platform, we will go to learning. In this learning, we will see the developer resources. In by selecting this developer resources, we will see the explore resources. In this explore resources, we will see this developer web page, where in this developer web page we will be doing here. We will see a request my instance. We will requesting an instance to start our work in this developer instance. Okay, after requesting our instance, we will see a Jurichi, Yakoma, Xanadu, and all those things, names of the instances. And Jurichi is the latest release of ServiceNow Developer, so I will be using the Jurichi, and I will request. After requesting, we will see our instance will be created, and we will go into the start building. By start building, we will see the new web page, where here we can perform all our work regarding the ServiceNow Developer or ServiceNow Admin page. Okay. See, our dev instance ID should be visible here. This is our dev instance ID. Dev 274228 ServiceNow.com. This is the instance ID we should be used in our platform. Okay, this is our instance request ID. Developer. Dev means developer. This is the ID. The ID should be unique for everyone. It will be unique. Okay, it is not similar to everyone. Okay, and we will next. All those things will be visible here. Okay. See, we will 274228. This is our number for developer. Okay, that's it about it. Here we will see a lot of things, like all favorite, history, workspaces, admin. All those things will be I will be explaining the later classes. Okay, don't worry about all those things. Here we will have a lot of modules. All this will be we are calling them as an modules. Okay, I will be explaining later classes. Okay, up to this, I think everyone has been clear, right? How to install an instance in this developer in ServiceNow platform. Okay, I think everyone has been understood. If you have any doubts, you can pin me in the comment section. Uh, I will be able to explain in a clear manner. If you need in your language also, I will be explained by personally also. Okay, that's it about the class. Okay, I think everyone has been clear. It's okay. Okay then. Thanks for watching everyone for this video. If you are coming to my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel, and please make a like button, so that my videos will be reached to everyone. And if your friends are